What is up, chefs, foodies, and students? Hello and welcome to Everybody Knows. I'm Anders. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. Today we are talking about the theory of the universal aroma wheel itself, specifically what is and is not included in this version and why. I think I'll be saying this more than I expect, but I want to say it loud and clear here. This project had to begin somewhere, and that somewhere is very limited. I'm one person. I had a vision, and this is it. And I have my perspective, which is limited by so many things. My time in history, my geographical location, my race, my societal upbringing and influences, my way of thinking, my level of curiosity, my intercultural connectivity, and likely dozens more facets that limit the input that I can give to a project like this, which is why I am looking for future collaborators. And to that point, there are identifiers that did not make the wheel that should have, and hopefully will, simply because I didn't think of them or didn't even know that they existed. The issue of me, the singular perspective, not finding as many aroma identifiers as I could, is perfectly matched with another issue that I discovered a little too late for this version, which is that there are too many descriptors for certain types of foods. This led to a new operating paradigm: include as few identifiers as possible. Apples are a great example of this. There are like 9 different kinds of apples on the wheel, which initially I thought, oh, that's fine because there are like dozens, if not hundreds of kinds of apples, so 9 is fine. But what I've realized is that we only need the very few unique types of apples that can essentially describe all other kinds of apples, like a Granny Smith, a Red Delicious, a yellow variety, and a Fuji or Gala apple. Beyond that, you actually start to travel outside the wheel when comparing these different apples. If you're interested in that, have a look at the next video talking about the taxonomy of the wheel. All of that to say, there are some sections that have way more stuff than they need, which will make room for other identifiers in the future. Hooray! That about wraps it up. And here's what I want you to do. Think about the universal aroma wheel and what we talked about. Did my thinking or logic make sense to you? Why or why not? If you would have done things differently, I would love to know your solutions and what that would look like. And do you have any other questions for me? I thrive on your feedback, so please comment any of the answers to those questions and I will happily read them. I hope this video made sense and got you thinking about this universal aroma wheel. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to join the food aroma nerdery, feel free to subscribe and you'll see all my latest vids. And if you would like a large poster or digital copy of the wheel, there will be links in the description. Thanks so much. Bye.